recording right now?
Yes.
Alright.
Come on, Tommy, play. Jam. Get your guitar, Elijah.
Sitting at my laptop one day, talking to a finest dame. When I scroll down the page, suddenly I was enraged. Read her about me section. Then I had some questions. Shut up. How'd you get so high when you got a big cock? Wanted to stick it in. She's fucking ruining it. We're not gonna be able to hear this over her fucking. Come here. Come here.
Keep her in it then.
Come here.
You gotta sing that kind of song.
Yeah.
Alright, go on.
Here and you get downstairs.
You're ready?
Hugger.
Okay.
We got into it. We even had a good beginning.
So you don't play in it, you just sing?
Yep.
Alright, I gotcha. I didn't know.
Sitting at my laptop all day, talking to a fine-ass dame. When I scroll down the page, suddenly I was enraged. Read her about me section. Then I had some questions. How'd you get to be so hot when you got a fat ass cock? Wanted to stick it in. Oh, I just can't win on that fateful day. Found out I might be gay. I might be gay. Yeah, Lord help me, I might be gay. No, not really gay, but that actually did happen. I was talking to this chick on, I don't know, some internet site. I was horny, you know, and we were talking. Shame to admit that I actually kind of masturbated to one of those pictures. Don't you judge me.
Did you really?
Cut the camera off.
Did you really?
Cut the fucking camera off. Seriously, stop it.